see. This event features handmade gifts and art created by 180 artists and makers. There's even live music. We're taking the free shuttle that will drop us off right in front of Sawdust. There are many holiday-themed festival classes offered here. First, we're stopping by the art spot to make an owl card. I am spreading the glue. Next, I'm sticking on the eyes. I'm turning my owl into a cow, also known as a cowl.
It's time for the puppet show. This green guy's new for this year. The ostrich is pecking the audience. I hope he doesn't peck me. Ah, he got me. I don't want to see the clown with the balloon.
Let's go look at more booths.
The lady is drawing faces on rocks.
Now we're visiting the Zoo Mars pop-up petting zoo. I'm feeding the gerbil some lettuce. Would you like to munch on a carrot stick? Whoopsie daisy. Now we're getting some balloon animals. My balloon is a monkey climbing the tree.
Mine is a rat stegosaurus.
All of a sudden, it started to snow. And finally, we're visiting Santa Claus.